Hello, this is going to be the first video in a series of videos demoing different things on tilestack.com. This time I'm going to show you how to take an old HyperCard stack and import it as a web application to run on our website. Okay, so let's get started here. So on tilestack.com you would just go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, you've got a little button down here for uploading an existing stack. You click on that, and then there's an option here that says download the free converter for Mac OS X. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, and the reason we need this is that you need to encode the HyperCard stacks into Mac binary format so we get their resource forks, which is what includes their icons and various resources that stacks used. Otherwise that information is not transferred. So, okay, we've got that loaded into my downloads here. Go ahead and mount it. Okay, that came in now. Now I'm going to switch over to Sheep Shaver to show you the environment, OS 9 running in an emulator. We've got the actual HyperCard stack here, tiles out. Okay, I'll go ahead and show you a couple things about this. Okay, first off, the stack is made up of basically a bunch of buttons, okay, aligned in a grid, as you can see. Okay, now to handle the interaction, which works basically like this, okay, we actually have a background script. So if you come in here and you say background info and you say script, you can actually get a little example of how this actually works. There's an open card handler that essentially reads a definition from a background field that says what button should be highlighted, and there's a little mouse up handler that is what actually processes the clicking of the various cells and determines what should be highlighted and unhighlighted. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and close that. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you that little hidden field that I was talking about. So I'm going to say show background field 1. Okay, as you can see, there it is. And that's the field that stores different definitions per level. So as you flip between the cards here, you can see different definitions are shown. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hide that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and quit. And then let's get this imported to the website. So first pull this up. Go ahead and bring this over. Okay. Transfer it over to the OS X machine. Switch over here. Okay, so I'm going to run the Mac binary converter. Okay, pulls up basically looks like this. Now go over to the Sheep Shaver application. Go into the Unix, and then I actually already had it there, but I'm going to go ahead and delete it just to show you. So let's go ahead and pull this into here. You basically just drop it onto the converter. It creates a .bin file. You can then come back to the website, click Choose Stack, select the bin file, click Open, and then click OK. And in a matter of moments, you have a HyperCard stack running in the web browser. Okay, so here we are, no plugins. All done with client-side JavaScript magic. So let me go ahead and show you just briefly the editor. Switch to background mode here. Pull up the script that we were looking at a moment ago. There it is. Okay. Go ahead and close that. Okay, and now I'm going to show you the cool little message box thing. Show background field 1. There it is, just like we saw before. So that's all that's needed to go ahead and import a HyperCard stack from the past and get it running as a web application.